What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about 6 big tech stocks. And now let's get right into it with Tesla, which is down 3.25% on the day. And look at this, I talked about it last night in my video that 200 will be a big level to break. And look at this insanity here on Tesla today, getting rejected exactly at 200 and now trading at 190 after hours. So going into tomorrow, guys, it's still looking bullish. But also we left a gap open down here at 186.44, so that could be coming early as tomorrow. Now Tesla trading above all the moving averages right now. It's still holding 190 as a support, white line 20 SMA. So if that gives up tomorrow 190, then watch out for a drop down to this gap 186.44, and then also down here at 183, orange line 13 SMA. Down to 177 where we held last whole week on Tesla. To the upside, 190 can hold. We could see a push back up to 200. And I said it last night, 200 breaks, we're going to see 211 on Tesla. And now we're going to look at Microsoft. On Microsoft, it's down 0.5%. And I think my short position on Microsoft, it's still alive. I mean, it was green right here. I didn't take any profit. And I'm expecting Microsoft to come all the way down to at least 266, if not even more, down to 263 to 260. And that could be coming in next 4 to 6 weeks, or maybe in maybe a week. That is possible, guys. If you look at this candle today, definitely not a bullish looking candle. Yes, we went over 274 and this thing rallied back up to 280. And look at this. Again, a lot of sell pressure at that level, got rejected, also was trading above upper Bollinger Band, and now we saw a pullback with FOMC meeting down to 272 at the closing, took out 5 SMA on this daily chart, 274, 275. So going into tomorrow, Microsoft can take out 274 again, holds that as a support. We're going to see 280 to 285 to fill the gap all the way on top. Below 274, I'm expecting a move all the way down here at 266, and that could be coming very soon on Microsoft. We also have support at 263, orange line 13 SMA, and then 260, and white line 20 SMA sitting at 258.80. And now we're going to look at Google. On Google stock, it's down 1.53% on the day after running all the way up to 107.51, getting overextended, trading above upper Bollinger Band. Finally, we saw a pullback today here on Google stock, getting rejected again at 105. So tomorrow, 105 breaks, we could see a move all the way up to 108 to 109. But below 105, we could be retesting, and I think it's coming. 5 SMA on this daily chart, which is at 103, and below that, watch out for 100 on Google, and then more downside. And now we're going to look at Amazon. So on Amazon stock, it's down 1.90% on the day, and if you look at my screen, Amazon was also getting extremely overbought, trading above upper Bollinger Band, and also on shorter time frame like 30-minute hourly chart, RSI was getting burned. So now we got that pullback down almost 2%, and looks like it's kind of holding right here between 98 to 99 bucks right here. Blue line 5 SMA, and if that gives up tomorrow, we could be dropping down to 97 to even 95, white line 20 SMA. Amazon needs to break 100, and if that happens, we're going to see a push all the way up to 104 on Amazon, and then we do have a gap on top at 108.88. We also have a gap down here at 86.40. This gap is still open, so there is a chance if you're looking to go long on Amazon and somehow we get a pullback on Amazon down here at 86.40 right here to fill this gap, that is going to be an absolute dip buy here on Amazon. And now we're going to look at Meta. So on Meta, it's down 1.16% on the day, and just like I said last night, the Bollinger Band already expanding. We could see a move close to 210, and we got up to 207.37, and this Bollinger Band not allowing Meta to run higher. And on top of that, we got Jerome Powell coming out and speaking. We saw a dump off. This thing came all the way down to 199.81 at the closing, but still holding 197, this key level, as a support. So going into tomorrow, guys, that's going to be a big support to watch. But also, if you look at my screen, now we will find some sort of resistance at 200 because of this blue line 5 SMA sitting exactly at 200. Above that, watch out for a move all the way up to 208 to even 210. Below 197, Meta can come all the way down to 191.43, orange line 13 SMA, and then watch out for 185.43, white line 20 SMA, and possibly will close this gap down here at 183.78. On Apple stock, it's down 0.91% on the day, and Apple ran all the way up to 162. And I said it last night, the next big resistance here on Apple stock will be 160, and look at this insane move. Not even trading close to this upper Bollinger Band, the stock ran all the way up to 162.14, and then finally a rejection. But still, guys, Apple stock is looking bullish. We do have a full bull trend here on Apple stock. Also, inverse head and shoulder playing out on Apple stock. So any dip is worth looking at it, but I would not buy this dip at this level right here. Now going into tomorrow, 160 is going to be a resistance to watch. If we can get above that level, Apple stock running all the way up to 165. Below 160, we do have support, strong support, now aligned with this blue line 5 SMA, 157. And if that gives up, watch out for 155 to even 153.75, orange line 13 SMA, down to even 151.62, white line 20 SMA. And these are key levels to watch on Apple stock going into tomorrow. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll definitely keep you guys updated here on 6 big tech stocks. Have a great night, everybody.